everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am adding to the Halloween series which I have begun, but today I'm doing something a little different. So far I've done full face like clowns, purge mask, skeleton, a lot of makeup, a lot of time, a lot of effort, but this time I'm going for some minimal Halloween makeup, not that much effort, something quite cute. Not everyone wants the full face Halloween makeup, you just want a little something to show that you're in the Halloween spirit. That's why today I'm showing you my favorite Halloween eyeliner. Before I get into the video, remember to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on a single video. Alright, now let's jump into the video. I've already done my base routine as we're just focusing on the eyes today, but if you did want to see my base routine, I've already uploaded a video to my channel, or I've just posted a updated base routine on my TikTok, and I'll leave that link down below if you want to go check it out. So the first eyeliner we're going to do is a classic bat wing. So grab your favorite eyeliner, it could be any type of eyeliner. You've got liquid liners, I got Wet n Wild one here, we've got the Kiko one, which is my favorite and I'm going to use today. We've got a pen eyeliner, like a felt tip pen. This one's a Rare Beauty. Honestly, use anything, and it doesn't even need to be in black. Just use what you're used to, as it's going to be a bit more complex than your usual eyeliner. So let's get started. First, I'm going to give it a shake. Okay, so if I position my mirror, okay, so you can see, let's draw the outline of this wing. So what we want, I don't know if you've seen a bat wing, but it's got like curves in the edge, and we basically want to draw that. So I'm going to start at the bottom and work my way up. So first, we want to draw a little line, curved line down, like so. I'm just going to draw it quite lightly for now in case I mess up, and then we can wipe it away. Then we're drawing it back outwards, and here's where the fun begins. Got one curve, then we want one more, like so. And now we're going to draw this back into the middle of the crease. And then next we're going to create quite a C shape, but what I mean, draw a thin line down, and now we make it into a usual wing like that, and then you fill it in and add some finesse. So you just fill it in the lines like so. So I'm going to fill it all in, and then I'll come back and I'll neaten it up together. As you can see, I've filled the liner in now, but I want a bit more finesse. I want to extend it so it looks a bit more, I don't know, bat-like. So I'm going to extend all of the lines which I've created. So here, I'm just going to go out. And the same here. And there is one bat wing done. And let's do the same on the other eye. And there we go, both wings on. They might not be even, but I think they look really cute. And you could add a half lash, a full lash, add some more detail, do it in a different color. But this is the basic bat eyeliner wing you can go for. If I pull you a bit closer, this is what it looks like. Now let's wash this away and go on to the next wing. Now I've washed majority of it off. Yes, there may be a bit of residue. Let's move on to the next eyeliner look. So the next one we're going to be doing is a spider web. Quite classic, quite simple. I think it just looks really good. So let me show you how we can do this. So again, picking up your trusty eyeliner. First, we're just gonna create a normal wing. So this is how I do my wing. As you've probably already seen, you take it out, you bring it back in, and we fill it up. Now we've got our wing on there, let's add some lines to start the web. I want to add 4 lines. So if we start here, got one down there, one like that, one out here, and one more across like so. If you look on the inner corner here, not inner corner, we want the corner one here, we want each one to be longer, because what we're going to do is create a C at the end of all of them. So first we start there from the waterline to the line, and then we go for the next one, And the next one. Now what we want to do is draw those little lines inside. Then we let that dry, and that is our cute spider web eyeliner done. So the process is pretty simple, but it's quite hard and delicate to get the thin lines. So I do suggest maybe having a thinner eyeliner, which will be a lot better in my opinion. So I'm again gonna do the other eye so we can get the full look, and then I'll show you how it looks. And then here is the spider liner done. What do you think? I think I need a little bit of practice at it, but I think it'd be quite cute and not over the top. It could be really cool if you have like a spider cute dress on or something. But again, let's zoom you in. As you can see here, this is what it looks like closer up. So now let's wash this off so we can move on to the next look. I'm back and all clean, ready for the next look. So this time we're gonna do some clown eyeliner, and I think this is really top notch and classy. So let's get on with that. First, we just want to start with another wing. So draw your wing as you would, like I'm doing here. I don't know if you've seen like siren eyes before, but now we're going to add like a little flick or corner eyeliner here. So what you do is just draw a triangle in the inner corner and then color it in. Just like that. Now we want to draw like a drip in the middle to get that clown look, you know, when you normally have the triangle on the top and the bottom. We're going to do something similar to that, but not as like overstated. It's going to be a bit more subtle. So we're going to follow the corner that we've done here and draw it round, and the same here. And then we just want to extend it exactly like that. So very simple. Now let's just fill that in, staying in the lines, trying to make it as neat as possible and not getting any eyeliner in your eye. All right, now that's all filled in, all we do is add a dot underneath the drip. Just like so, and there's one clown liner done. And yes, I did swap liners because my other one was running out. But now I'm going to do the same on the other eye, and we'll be back to have a look at it. And here is both eyes complete, and I think it's just so cool and pretty. You can dress this one up really nice with your outfit, put a red lip on, super subtle but still give that clown vibes which you might be looking for. This is what she's looking like. I do love. So we have one more eyeliner look to go, so let's wash this up and get on with the last one. Okay, so let's move on to our last eyeliner look. So this one is gonna be a ghost. So we're gonna draw a normal wing, and then we're going to draw a ghost like behind the wing, like just a white kind of animated kind of ghost. Nothing complex, I hope. So let's give this one a try. So first, taking your eyeliner, guess what we're gonna do? Yes, we are going to be drawing a wing. And I'm glad it's the last wing, like my eyes are getting a little sore because I am doing all these looks in a row. So there is my wing. Now we're going to draw that ghost. So that means it's time for some white eyeliner, and of course we're bringing back the Split Cake liner palette from Lash Dupe and using this white here. Going to be taking a Morphe liner brush. This is the M250. Picking up some of that white liner here. Let's get on drawing our ghost, and honestly I'm a bit nervous. So above we want to draw the head like so, and then fill that in, and then below we want to draw like the squiggly tail. Oh, that is quite cute. Now let's draw on some eyes with the black after that dries. So I've just seen we might want to draw some little cute arms, as I am taking inspiration from online. You can get like cute ghosts with arms, and I think that just looks really cute. Now let it dry. Let's add eyes and mouth, so just some dots. And there's my little ghost. That's so adorable. I think this is actually the best eyeliner in my opinion. So what I do the other eye, then let you see it together, and then we can review all the eyeliner looks that I've done today. And here's both eyes done, and honestly I love it. It's so cute and adorable. I think this is my favorite one out of all of them. Let me bring you a bit closer so you can see better. There it is, the cute little ghost. Okay, so those are the 4 eyeliner looks I wanted to share with you today. What do you think? Let me put the pictures on screen right now and you tell me which look is your favorite in the comments. Mine's definitely this one. My least favorite, probably the spider web, but I think that does still look cute. It's just my skills weren't there. I need to like practice the finesse on that one. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please remember to hit the huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And while you're there, hit the notification button so then every time I upload a video, you get notified. Said that a bit backwards. I usually say it the other way. That's why I look so confused. If you did like this video, I've also got a Halloween makeup look playlist where I've created a clown, a skeleton look and a purge mask, and now these eyeliner looks. So you should go check it out. I'll link that down in the description for you. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. It means so much to me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!